Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the progress tracker on the MyFitnessPal application. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your MyFitnessPal application. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on progress. And as you can see, this is where you can see all your entries or your steps or everything basically right over here. So you can also simply go ahead into more and then also put workout routines if you want to. If you can also simply go ahead and get the premium and then have more stuff or more stats on your progress bar as well right over here. And you can also go ahead and choose if you want a couple weights, neck, waist, hips and stuff like that. You can also simply check your my weekly report right over here, your nutrition report, and then there's also steps. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.